Hi, I'm Max in the service department here at Leaders RPM, and today we're doing an oil change on a RZR Trail. All right, first you'll need an oil change kit, part number 2879323 for the RZR. Next, socket wrench with a 6mm Allen head. Oil filter pliers and some rags. Now that we have the vehicle in the air, first step, remove the drain plug. Make sure that you have your drain pan underneath the oil fill. The drain plug will be in this center of this hole here. Make sure it's properly seated. All right, and now that the oil is done draining, make sure you install your new crush washer that comes in the oil change kit onto the drain plug, then put the drain plug back. In order to access the oil filter, you got to remove the seat. There's a clip here on the back. Lift up, pull out. To access the oil filter, it's behind this little door. When removing your oil filter, grab your oil pliers and loosen it up. When installing your new oil filter, make sure to lubricate the seal. Make sure it's only hand tight. Now we can fill the rest of the engine with oil. To get to the oil in the engine, remove this door. Your fill cap is here. Get a funnel, and using the rest of your oil change kit, pour 2.5 quarts of oil into the engine. All right, now that your oil is full, put your cap back on. Make sure it's tight. And start the engine for approximately 10 seconds. Check your dipstick. All right. Your dipstick is in the same little door with the oil filter. When you check, make sure it is between the add dot and this F on the safe, and that would be perfect fill. And that completes an oil change on a RZR Trail. I'm Max Harlan here in the service department at Leaders RPM. Thanks for watching our oil change video. You can make sure to check out all the products at leadersrpmshop.com.